Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we're going to be doing an exercise, and basically the focus is on huruf shamsiya and qamariya, and the ones actually that are mentioned here, if you notice, they are mostly shamsiya. So anyway, let's start. النجم بعيد, the star is far. الرجل واقف, the man is standing. السكر حلو, sugar is sweet. الطالب مريض, the student is sick. الديك جميل, the rooster is beautiful. الدفتر جديد, the exercise book is جديد, it is new. Exercise book means notebook. In Britain we say exercise book, a notebook in which you take notes. جديد, new. التاجر غني, the merchant is rich. الدكان مفتوح, the shop is open. الولد فقير, the boy is poor. التفاح لذيذ, the apple is delicious. الطبيب طويل والمريض قصير, the doctor is tall and the patient is short. Next one. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Read and write and put the haraka at the end. Okay, and again, the exercise is very simple. You just have to put haraka at the end. الباب, التاجر, النجم, القمر, الديك, الماء, السرير, البيت, المسجد, الرجل, السكر, الورق. And like I told you already, the default haraka in all nouns is dhamma. So if you are just pronouncing a noun, it's going to have a dhamma on it. Next exercise. املأ الفراغ فيما يلي بوضع كلمة مناسبة. Fill in the gaps below by putting an appropriate word. So you can put anything really. الرجل غني, the man is rich. السكر حلو, the sugar is sweet. الطالب مريض, or المدرس مريض, or الإمام مريض, and so on. التفاح لذيذ, the apple is delicious. You can replace it with الطعام لذيذ, الموز لذيذ, etc. الموز means banana. طويل means tall. الولد طويل, the boy is tall. الإمام قصير, the imam is short in height. The imam is short in height.